Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to the channel. If you're new, I have for you guys the Love line by Essie, which is their plant-based line, which on their website it says that it's going to be coming later this year, but they have already, as you can see, started sending, samples out to reviewers and whatnot. Thank you to the Essie team for sending these to me. Now, I don't know how many colors there are going to be. They sent me these 6, so we're just going to review them as polishes. I don't know much about the line itself. As you guys know, like every brand now has a plant-based line. I'm not gonna go into detail about what that means and what it is because they haven't even released them yet. And once they do, you guys can read all about it on their website. So let's take them as polishes, what we have at hand, and we'll see how they perform. I haven't even opened them. So whatever you guys see here is a first impression, unedited, it is what it is. So we'll see. All right, first up we have Spinning Enjoy. This is gorgeous. It's like a vintage rose kind of color. Let me see what the brushes look like. Ooh, wait a minute. These are different. Hold on, let me pull some Essie brushes. Hold on, because I assumed they were gonna be the same brushes as regular Essies, but I don't think so. Hold on. All right. These are not the same. I painted this thing. Hold on. Let's zoom in. Let me see. I assumed it was gonna be like these, which are tiny bit paddle, very long. Now this is long, but it's a little bit more paddle than the regular Essie, but a little bit longer than the couture line. So similar style, but there's definitely a difference. These are thinner or less wide. I don't know if I'm saying that properly, but you guys get the point. This is a little bit more open. This one's a little bit more closed. This one has a more rounded edge. This is kind of like messed up, but that's not how they usually are. They usually are very even. This one's even, but it's definitely more paddle than the original Essie. All right, let's see. I cannot wait to put this on my nail because it looks great in the bottle. You can tell when you take it out if it's gonna be good or not, actually. Beautiful. My God. This is a one coater, you guys. Wow, so beautiful. I love it. Like when people say Essie has such a bad formula, I was like, you're like in 20 years ago. Like Essie hasn't had a bad formula in so long that I don't even know. I am the Spark. It's this beautiful, like dark, it's like a hot pink, but like for fall. I don't know how to explain it. It's like a dark hot pink. It's not red. The video shows it kind of. Damn, these brushes are big. Like when you take it out of the bottle, you just get this huge, big brush. I don't know. It's not even like significantly bigger than Essie brushes, but I'm so used to the regular Essie brushes that I notice. But anyways, beautiful. Oh, nice. Okay, great. Excuse the kindergarten noises, but I'm just kind of like experimenting here. Now this one's less opaque. I don't know how to explain it. It's not crelly because it's too opaque, but there's a squishiness to it. In person, I can see my nail line a little bit. Now, when this one dried, I have a lot of ridges on this nail. When this one dried, I see my ridges a little bit. So I would be doing a second coat. All right, this one's Good Impressions. Fantastic color. I love these. Like green, gray, blues kind of colors. So beautiful. And they're hard to open because they're brand new. I hadn't even opened them at all. Man, these brushes are driving me crazy in love. Beautiful. Fantastic. Oh, I hope they have a lot of colors because this line is amazing. Amazing. Now, I don't know anything about how long they last or any of that, but let's go into the next 3 colors. As far as formula, brush, and all of that's concerned, they're chef's kiss. Okay, I did a second coat real quick, okay, just to show you. This color in person is so absolutely like perfect, and it's looking so ugly on camera. Like on camera, it looks like I added drops of yellow. There's no yellow. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous pink. I don't even know how to describe it. It's not red, and it's definitely not yellow at all. It's a cold color. All right, up next we have Back to Love. Ooh, look, it's the same color as the cap, which is not this ugly I don't know what color you guys are seeing, but what's showing on my camera is not pretty. This is a very pretty, it has a lot of pink. It's like beige with a lot of pink, and the camera's just eating it all up and not showing it to you guys. I'm sorry about that. But let's see the formula. Still very beautiful, but it is gonna be a 2-coater. Especially if you have ridges like I do. And they're showing a little bit less because I have a base coat on, but yeah. Still very good formula. Just the coverage is not like the first 3. And then we have a white, which looks to be a stark white, no undertones or anything. Called Blessed, Never Stressed. Let's see. Well, white is a good test, you know. Okay, very good. It's good, kind of squishy, but very opaque at the same time, but it is gonna need 2 coats. Still very good white. And then Get It Girl. That's cute. Oh my god. This is fantastic. Oh, shoot. Wow, look at that. This one's probably not gonna need a second coat at all. Damn. This is amazing. That's amazing. Okay, let me do a second coat. This is already if you touch it. You see, I'm doing this kind of like in real time. It's been like a minute and a half since I painted this, and it's already ready for second coat. Beautiful second coat. Beautiful. Okay. Now, I just noticed something. I think the brush on this pink is not as wide. When you take it out of the bottle, it just gives you a different feeling. Yep, this brush is different. And I don't know why I'm so sensitive to brushes, but brushes matter to me so much. Okay, let me see how to do this. Do you guys see the difference? This is like their usual Essie brushes, and this one's different. Okay, so there's some discrepancy here. Again, this line hasn't even released. I don't know, you know, so I don't know if the brushes are gonna be like this or like this, but just keep in mind. All right, just hit my nail, but that's fine. Let's do the white. Did a little bit of a float, but I think it'll be a solid 2-coater. This one doesn't even need a second coat, but let's do it anyway. This is pointless. You don't need it. You really don't. Okay. All right, so first impression of the line as far as brush, formula, application, and all of that is concerned, it is a yes for me. As you guys saw, the formulas are fantastic. The white brush that it has, I really like it. I know maybe some people might not. Some people, it's not the majority from who I talk to. The minority like thinner brushes. As you guys saw, one of them was a little bit less wide and it was more in line to the regular Essie line, but I don't know. 5 of them were super wide. So I think that's like a mistake. I think they are gonna have that wide paddle brush, which I love. I cannot wait to see what other colors they have. I think websites might already have these. I'm gonna link stuff down below if I find it. I haven't even looked, to be honest. I just went to the Essie website and saw that it says coming later this year, but I have seen other people review these and there are definitely more colors. So I know they're somewhere. I'll link everything down below for you guys. And thank you for coming to my review. Thank you to the Essie team for sending these to me. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.